Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. Listening to sad songs actually creates positive emotions. Otter Guru by Charles Jansen. An Indonesian man became an instant millionaire when a meteorite worth 1.4 million euro crashed through the roof of his house. Awkward Smiley Frog by Kingston Tam. Lost 10-year-old girl survives 18-hour in blizzard by hugging stray dog. Fortnite has been featured in about 5% of 4,665 divorces in the UK so far in 2018. A man in China purchased a first-class plane ticket and used it to eat a year's worth of free meals at the VIP lounge by cancelling and rebooking his flight over and over. Time to Cool Off by Zikritio. Philophobia is the fear of emotional attachment that often leads to expectations that end in disappointment. What you think is what you feel. What you feel is what you say. What you say is what you do. What you do becomes your destiny. If you are willing to sit in a bed for 87 days for a research on the effects of zero gravity on your body, NASA will pay you $15,000. The L in cloud was added intentionally in the 15th or 16th centuries solely to match the spellings of would and should. This is what a soap bubble looks like when it's popped. OnePlus, Vivo and Oppo are owned by the same parent company BBK Electronics. Be a loner that gives you time to wonder, to search for the truth, have holy curiosity, make your life worth living. 1 in 10 people admit to licking the bowl clean after eating the ice cream. The full name of Paytm is Pay Through Mobile. During a Mars winter, almost 20% of the air freezes. The easiest way to keep people from getting involved in your personal problems is to not post them on the internet. Be shy, start multiplying random numbers in your head. The same part of the brain controls both tasks and will help you get it started. Getting 10 hours of sleep a night for a few days before a sleepless work week will fill your sleep bank enough for you to power through. Disinfect your washing machine by adding half a glass of mouthwash where you usually put the detergent. Guava leaves can 100% stop your hair loss and make it grow like crazy. You may lose people you love, you may lose the things you have, but whatever happens, never lose yourself. Best foods before bedtime. Remember, when your body is hungry, it wants nutrients, not calories. Worst foods before bedtime. Frilled lizard. It is not harmful for humans, but it has a layer around its neck to threaten other enemies. It will spray a poisonous gum. They will run extremely fast on land. In 1970, roughly $6 billion are spent on fast food. Nowadays, it is about $200 billion. How much India's Richie Rich donated daily in 2023? Daily morning and night, honey and cinnamon powder taken in equal parts help restoring hearing. Green candle indicates the permanence of life. It is associated with new life and spring. It also brings prosperity through money and finance. Green candle aids in healing and brings good health. The foods you eat can affect how much pain you feel. The brain goes into an incubation period for ideas when we are in a relaxed state, like when showering. This allows the subconscious mind to bring the solutions and ideas it has been working on to your conscious state and in turn give you interesting thoughts. Igorchim Road in Goa is considered so haunted that locals avoid it during the daytime too. Anyone walking here between 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. stands the most chances of getting possessed. Taylor Swift, amidst industry challenges, re-recorded her music to regain control. This strategic move not only earned her back catalogue but also set a precedent for artists' rights. Applaud Swift business acumen. Unseen and very rare images of Mahatma Gandhi. Childhood of Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi with Indira Gandhi. Gandhi received donation in train with Acharya Kripalani and Radhakrishna Bajaj. Mahatma Gandhi and Mountbatten having cup of tea together. Mahatma Gandhi with Subhash Chandra Bose and Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel in single frame. Mahatma Gandhi with Patrick Lawrence. This specific image is cropped and used in Indian currency. Thanks for watching.